So I'm out in the shop today, guys. I'm kind of getting the dust collection for the table saw dialed in. I built this little catch-all box. I've had one of these before. It really catches a lot of dust, and I vacuum it out maybe once every couple of weeks. I'm also working on zero clearance inserts. I saw some guy on YouTube actually fill this with Bondo. This one's got a crack in it. So I'm just gonna actually remake them. If you wanna see how that's done, check out the channel, leave me a comment. Guys, thanks for watching. Oh shit, it's not long enough. My backside long enough? Just barely. That's funny. Sometimes people ask me on this DeWalt 735, how thin have you ever gone? And I'm making these zero clearance inserts. 169, 165. Pretty dang thin on that. It's crazy that I don't think you'd do it with.